Overall, let's now talk about the objectives of the Facebook incident. What do we set out to do now in the next 5 years? First, exchange knowledge for enhancing personal competence, because each person is a knowledge bearer, and as a basis for collectively generating policies and practice relevant for SPC programs in the areas of land governance and rural advisory services. These are the two themes that have been set for the work of the ARD network. While building the ARD network to facilitate future exchange and learning processes. This has been taken from the objectives for this workshop. So, couple of main points to retain: exchange knowledge to build personal competence, personal knowledge base, but also to be able to contribute to policies, practices and programs in the two domains of land governance and rural advisory services, but also to look at other issues that could be of relevance and interest to the ARD network. So it's very nice that we have the core theme more or less fully here, because we can then take forward other issues, other agendas that emerge for deepening, for taking forward in the ARD network as well. And to also agree the mechanisms by which the network will work in the future. Right? So work first is the content, but also how do we work in the future? Shall we do more case studies? Shall we prepare more country-specific information or more thematic information to be shared in using different kinds of knowledge tools? So how does the mechanics of it work? What are the results that we expect from the next 5 days of being here together?